I'm Anil Kumar, and now let us see how to solve exponential equations. The question is 4 to the power of x minus 1 plus 4 to the power of x minus 3 equals to 272. Now, in this, can we factor it? This is what you have to think about. And also, what do you mean by 4 to the power of x minus 1? It really means it is 4 to the power of x times 4 to the power of minus 1, or you could say 4 to the power of x times 1 over 4. Similarly, 4 to the power of x minus 3 will be 4 to the power of x times 4 to the power of minus 3, or 4 to the power of x times 1 over 4 cubed. Do you understand? So that is how actually you should see these equations, correct? Now, looking into this, what we can do here is, let me rewrite this in that form first. So 4 to the power of x minus 1 indeed is 1 over 4 times 4 to the power of x, correct? So that is what it is. Similarly, I could write 4 to the power of x minus 3 as 1 over 4 cubed times 4 to the power of x. Let's bring this term to, okay, let's keep it to the right side itself for the time being. Now 4 to the power of x is common. So we could write this as 4 to the power of x, and within brackets we get 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 cube, right? 1 over 4 cube is, 4 cube is 4 times 4, which is 16 times 4, which is 64, right? So we could write this 64 here equals to 272. Now that gives you 4 to the power of x, and 64 is common, which is 4 cube, right? So we have to multiply by 4 square here, since we have 4 here. 4 square 16, so 16 plus 1 equals to 272. So that gives you that 4 to the power of x is indeed equals to 272 times 64 divided by 16 plus 1, which is 17. Now let us use calculator and find what this fraction is. So we have 272 times 64 divided by 17 equals to 1024. So this is indeed equals to 1024. So that is 4 to the power of x. As you know, 1024 is, you can use the calculator and solve, but I'm just helping you out. Could be written as 2 to the power of 10, right? So that, 4 to the power of what is 1024? You can figure it out. Or you can use logarithms to find, correct? Other way is, you could write 4 to the power of x as 2 square x. Do you see that? So that should help you. So let me show you different ways of solving this equation. So we have 4 to the power of x equals to 1024. I could write this as 2 to the power of 2x equals to 2 to the power of 10, and that means 2x equals to 10, or x is equals to 10 over 2, which is 2. So that is indeed one of the best ways of solving. The other way is we could take log this time, correct? So if I take log here, so we have 4 to the power of x equals to 1024. You could take log, it's the x times log of 4 equals to log of 1024. So x is equals to log of 1024 divided by log of 4, right? So we can find this question. So it is log of 1024 divided by log of 4 equals to 5. So we get the same answer. Do you see that? Oh, this was 5. Okay. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we get the same answer, 5. So you could do either way after this, right? Use the method of your preference. So we have our solution here, and the solution is x is equals to 5, correct? So that is how you should be solving it. I hope it helps. Thank you, and all the best.